Hello, let's continue our advanced Sudoku series with Disparity by Jovial. So this is puzzle number 10 of chapter 4, and it is actually the last puzzle of chapter 4 of the Sudokult Gospel document. There are more chapters, so there will be more videos from that. You can check the description if you want to look at the document yourself. And as always, I know what technique I'm looking for, but not exactly where it is in this puzzle. Although in this case, I do, unfortunately. But so yeah, this is going to be a very, very quasi-live solve, given the information that I was given about this puzzle, which is just at the bottom of the document, nothing special. And so yeah, if you want to try the puzzle yourself, there's a link in the description, and I'm going to get started right now. Right, so this puzzle literally said Fisto ring, and it is pretty clear that that's going to be helpful. So let's just do that right away. Now, the cleanest way I know of to prove the Fisto ring, I'm actually going to prove it in two different ways. I'm going to prove it the super clean way, and then I'm going to prove it the way that actually allows you to expand it into expanded Fisto rings if you need to. Just because I figure it might as well be informative if it's going to be simple here. So I think the best way to start here is to highlight these 5 rows in green. And notice that this is 5 sets of 1 to 9, but I am able to remove this center box and get us down to 4 sets of 1 to 9. Now what I can do is I can highlight these columns. And these columns in purple, this is also 4 sets of 1 to 9. We can remove the overlap, and we end up with the famous Fisto ring. So the 16 digits in purple equal the 16 digits in green. Now there is another way to prove that, and this is actually the more traditional way to prove it, which actually is more extensible. And that is, I'm going to add this row and this row to green. And then I'm also going to add this column and this column to green. Now when I've done so, I have actually double counted these. So we'll make these like extra green. Okay. So these are double counted. What I mean by double counted is, yeah, I have 2 rows and 2 columns in here, but whatever digits are in here, the 6, 5, 6, 9, 7, 9 in this case, are in there twice. And that's fine. If we add them twice, we do have 4 sets of 1 to 9. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this box, this box, this box, and this box to purple. And I'm going to remove the overlap. Now, these are the more obvious overlaps we can remove. Let's remove all these. And then here we can remove the purple and the dark green. And there we go. We end up with the same set. So what's nice about this is you can also expand this. I'll leave this up to you. But instead of using the rows and columns I did, you can use these rows and columns, for example. Or you can even mix it up. You could use these rows and columns if you want, right? And you'll end up with something similar. All right. We call those like the expanded Fisto rings. You could use we could use the entire border if you want. And you still use the 4 boxes. Anyway, so this is a Fisto ring. We know that the 16 digits in purple equal the 16 digits in green. There are only 8 open cells in green, and none of them are from 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can just fill these with 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can fill these with, we've got 5, 6, 7, and 9 here. 5, 6, 7, 9. There are no 8s in the ring. All right, and we can just clean this all up. That seems like a really good way to start. 6 and 6, that's 9 and 9. This is actually a naked 3. Okay, 2 and 3. This is a naked 4. 3 and 4, that's not 1, that's not 3. All right. And now I'm not convinced we need to do anything with the Fisto ring anymore, so let's just remove it. And let's just solve this puzzle from here. So these 2 3s look down. Placing a 3 here. This is not 3. These 2 4s look up, placing a 4 here. So these are not 4s. What else can we do? We do have a 4 up here somewhere, but that's not super helpful. We also have a 3 down here somewhere. Oh, we have a 3 in one of these 2, so that's helpful. What else do we have? 4 looking in, so 4 is in one of these 2. I guess I should note that in our ring, we should end up with exactly 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, and 2 4s. So where's my second 3 going to be? My second 3 is going to be here. That places a 3 here. We're going to end up with one of these being a 4. And then I get 2 1s and 2 2s. Well, yeah, I'm not sure if there's more to do with that yet. Okay. And then we're going to end up with 3 5s. That's just, so all of these need a 5 in them. We're going to end up with 2 6s. So, oh, so this, we need a 6 here, and we need, oh no, there's 3 places 6 could go. So that's not helpful. We need 2 7s. 3 places 7 can go, and we need a single 9. Okay. So nothing else we can do with that right now. Let's do this row. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 8, 9. Make it 8. All right. I think it's just simple Sudoku from here. 1, 2, 9. 9's in one of these two, so it cannot be here. That's a 5, 7 pair now. Maybe I should have been tracking the ring, but whatever. I'm pretty sure this will just solve with singles. Here we need 1, 2. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 1, 2, 8, 9. So 9. Yeah, we knew 9 was there. And 8's here. So that 8 looks down. That places 8 here. That puts an 8 in one of these two. Okay. What else do we have going on here? These 8s, okay, so these 8s look up, this 8 looks in, this 8 looks in. So 8's in one of these two. What are these from? 3, 5, 6, 9. They're not 5 or 6, so this is a 3, 9 pair, and it's resolved. Okay, we end up with a 5, 6 pair here. Down here we need 1, 2, 8. Cleans up a little bit. What do we need here? 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 4 goes here. This can't be 5 or 6. So this is the 7. So we end up with a 5, 6 pair here. All right, so this is not a 7. I know I needed a 9, right? There's a 9 on the Fisto ring. So that goes here now. Maybe I should have kept it highlighted, but that's okay. I mean, that was just 9 by Sudoku anyway. Over here we need, because we had these two 9s looking down and this 9 looking in. Down here we need 2, 5, 6, 8. Okay. Is there any low-hanging fruit here? I'm not seeing like an obvious place to look next. Maybe there's just some Sudoku I can look at. 7 in this box, for example, goes there. Over here somewhere. How about here? 1, 2, 4, and 6. Okay. What else can we do? These are from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, so this is a naked 5. Okay, yeah, see 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, none of these are 5. None of them are 5. Sorry. Not 6 or 9, not 8, not 8. Oh yeah, we get the 6 and the 5 here. That gets us the 1, 8, 2, and 6. Gets us the 4 and the 2. Gets us this 4, this 1, this 1. These are not 2s. Now we have 2 1s on the ring, so the final one has to be a 2. Because we only had 2 1s in the we had 2 1s in the Fisto boxes. That's 9, that's 2, that's 8, that's 1, that's 7, and that's 5. That's 6, that's 5, that's 6, that's 8. These aren't 6, not 7, 9. So this is now the 8 and the 6. All right, this is collapsing. Over here, what do we just, well, let's just fill this. 2, 4, actually 2 could only go in one spot, right? Yeah, 2 goes there. 4 goes here. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That's the 6. That's 8. This is a 7, 9 pair. That's also a 7, 9 pair. So this is whatever's missing. Looks like a 5. Okay. This is 1, which goes there, and 9. This box needs 2, 3, and 7. 3 goes there. This is 2 and 7. Oh, this can't be 2. Okay. That's 7, that's 2. Over here, we need 1. 1 can only go here. We need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 7, 8, 9. So the 9 goes here. That's 7. This is 9. Oh, sorry. This is 7 and 8. We get the 9 and the 7. Here we need 5, 6, and 9. So the 5 goes here. The 6 goes there, and the 9 goes there. Wow, nice and quick. All right, yeah. I mean, when you're told it uses the Fisto ring and that it's in a balanced set like that, pretty quick. We used the ring quite a few times. Probably could have used it more if I kept it highlighted, but yeah, that was neat. So thanks, Jovi. Nice use of the Fistomifel ring there. And of course, if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.